We use websites every day to read news, watch videos, buy things, or learn something new. But what exactly is a website? At its core, a website is simply a way to publish information or services on the internet. Some websites share information, like news sites or blogs. Others sell products, like online stores. Some provide tools or services, like social networks, email platforms, or streaming services. But even though websites look very different, they all work in roughly the same way. Think of a website like a library. Each page of the website is like a bookstore on a shelf. When you want to read something, you don't search the entire building yourself. You ask for a specific book you want. Websites work in a very similar way. When you type a URL into your browser is basically asking for a specific page from a server somewhere on the internet. A server is simply a computer that stores the files of the website. When the server receives your request, it sends those files back to your browser. Those files are usually made of three main technologies: HTML, which defines the structure of the page, CSS, which controls how it looks, and JavaScript, which adds interactivity. Your browser then takes those files and assembles them into the page you see on your screen. And here is something interesting. The entire process from your request to the page appearing usually takes less than a second. In fact, many large websites aren't even stored in one place only. To make the pages load faster, they are often distributed across servers all over the world, so the content can be delivered from a location closer to you. Some websites are very simple, just a collection of files stored on a server. Others are more complex and generate pages dynamically, using databases and applications. But underneath all the tools and technologies, the basic idea is always the same. A website is simply information stored on a server and delivered to your browser when you request it. And everything else, content management systems, frameworks, and modern web tools, are just different ways of building and managing that information.